Hello YouTubers, GK Auto Diagnosis and Repair here with a new video. This afternoon I'm working on a 2004 Honda Accord 4-cylinder automatic front-wheel drive with a 2.4 dual overhead camshaft engine, and we have a code for the NOx sensor. I believe it's P0325. NOx sensor bank 1 circuit failure, and the NOx sensor is actually located underneath the intake manifold, and I'm going to try to get you a close-up here, and it's going to be right here, this one right here. Let me see if I can get a better angle. Of course it's going to be a line in the middle, but it's right this connection over here. So let's see if I can move this for a minute so that way it can give me a little bit better shot of it. And no, it's not gonna do it. Move it out of the way. Okay, I think that's better angle. So this is where the NOx sensor is. This is the connection. So the way we are going to remove this, we're gonna use a long needle pliers, and I'm gonna hold the camera right there, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go right underneath the intake. Now I'm going to grab the connector, see if I can show it on the camera. Okay, squeeze it. Now that connector is off. I hope you guys can see it. Next, that a NOx sensor, it is a 1 inch 1/16, sort of like a big socket. So let's see if we can just slide it in here. Sorry for the camera moving too much. So we are going to move it. Let's see, I need a short extension of this. In. Now we're gonna use the ratchet. Let me find a better angle. And here is the NOx sensor. That is the old one, just over there. Got a new one, and I'm going to try to put it back in. Right, so this is how we're gonna reinstall this new sensor. I'm using a 1/2 inch hose, so this goes just snug enough. We're gonna use this hose to reinstall the sensor because I cannot reach there with my hand. Right there. There it is. Now that NOx sensor is right there. Install it. Yes, right there. Okay, I'm sorry the angle is kind of rough to get, but you probably can see it is right there where my finger is. So that's how you install it. Now I'm going to use my socket, and this one goes doesn't go very tight. That's how the way you damage it. When it stop, I'm gonna give it a little bit more, and I'm gonna find the torque spec. I'm gonna just torque it. I will put that torque spec on the description below, so that way you guys have it. And that is about it. We're going to connect it just for the video, so that way you guys see the whole thing. It can be done without removing the intake manifold. That's about it. So that's how you replace the NOx sensor on your Honda without removing the intake manifold. So if you learn anything from this video, please like the video, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Maybe somebody else can save some money if you have an issue like this without have to do a lot of extra work. So if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for your support. If you're not, please subscribe. Take that, doesn't cost you anything, less than a second, just to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you can see all the videos every time we upload a new one. Again, do your best, forget the rest. I hope this helped. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Later. Alright, lastly, if you don't have a scanner to clear the check engine light after you replace the NOx sensor and reconnect everything, well, obviously you can disconnect the battery for like 10 seconds and reconnect it again and drive it. That should be able to reset your coat, clear it. If you're not, drive to your local auto parts store and ask them to read the code and reset it for you after you did the repair, so you can drive it, complete the drive cycle, and confirm that that code did not come back. Anyhow, again, I hope this helped somebody. Please like the video, share, subscribe, comment, and again, I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.